Hi guys, it's Amber from Abby and Anna's Boutique. Here today to talk about the customer website and a couple tips that you can share with them. So the one I want to share now is how to search our new website. So in order to find the search bar, all they have to do is go into shop and click any category. So if they click women, it will pull up the whole women's category. And just like magic, up here at the top, when it appears, my slow internet connection, oh, it will appear. There's the search bar. So from here, they can search anything they want. So if they are looking for the brand new sleeveless cardigan, they can search this cardigan and hit enter or click that magnifying glass, and it's going to pull up our cardigans. Okay, if they have a certain print they're looking for, if they know the name or you share the name on your Facebook page, you can let them know. They can just search the name really and find it really quick. It makes it really handy. They can also obviously go through the women's categories, click the little arrows to expand each category, and then click within each category. So those are two ways to find things fast in our brand new awesome boutique. Bonus tip, you can also sort by different popularity, price, and name within this site. So if I do price lowest to highest, it's got one of our clearance items first, and it will go up from there. All right, guys, that's it for today. Talk to you later. Bye.